Hey guys, Brad Danger here, and most drivers have no idea their cars are hiding some pretty useful secrets. In fact, one study found that 9 out of 10 drivers don't even realize certain features exist in their own vehicles. Some of these hidden features are just cool conveniences, but a few can save you serious money or even your life if you know when to use them. Starting with Secret 17, the hidden keyhole and backup key in your fob.
Picture this, you're locked out with a dead fob. Panic? Nah, most modern remotes hide a mechanical key inside. Slide the tiny latch, pull the blade, and you've got old school access. Many cars also hide the keyhole under a cap on the driver's handle. That trick alone can save a midnight locksmith bill. Bonus, if push start won't see the fob, press the fob against the start button to use the passive RFID coil. Tiny feature, big payoff.
Number 16, traction control toggle, your winter lifeline.
That squiggly car button isn't decoration. Traction control trims power and brake spinning wheels so you keep momentum on slick roads. Leave it on for rain, ice, and everyday winter driving. But if you're buried in snow or stuck in mud, the system can kill the wheel spin you need to rock free. Tap to disable, get moving, then re-enable once you're clear. Know when to toggle and you'll look like a snow day hero.
And real quick, there's nothing like a little Huracan Performante V10 in the morning. Okay, if you've ever imagined yourself turning heads in a jaw-dropping supercar, you are in the right place. Sign up for the Ideal Collective. Right now, it is completely free, and I've linked to it in the pinned first comment down below. And just by signing up, you'll be the first to know about the giveaway. Spots are limited, so sign up today. Again, it's in the pinned first comment, and now, back to the show. Secret 15, turn off lane departure warnings for good.
Helpful on long highway slogs, infuriating in town. Lane warnings can beep at pothole dodges and gentle curve tracing. The fix is hiding in plain sight, a button that looks like a car between dotted lines, or a menu setting under driver assists. Press and hold to silence nags or dial the sensitivity down. Some cars reset at each start, so you may need to save it in a profile. Set it up once and your drive goes from anxious nanny to calm co-pilot.
Secret 14, the AC recirculation button, your cabin's secret air shield.
That little car with arrow button blocks stench and smog. Hit recirc in traffic behind smoky diesels, near farm funk, or during wildfires to stop pulling in outside air. Bonus, on blistering days, recirc chills the cabin faster since the system recools already. Cooled air, easing compressor load. Use fresh air periodically to prevent fogging on long drives, but don't be shy about toggling recirc when the outside air is gross. Free comfort, cleaner lungs, happier passengers.
Secret 13, steering wheel adjustment lever. Get comfortable and safer.
If your elbows lock or your knees kiss the rim, you're leaving safety and comfort on the table. Reach beneath the column for a lever. Tilt for up/down and telescope for in/out. Ideal fit means slightly bent elbows, clear view of gauges, and the airbag aimed at your chest, not your face. Most drivers never touch this and suffer back and shoulder ache. 10 seconds to dial it in pays off on every trip.
Secret 12, pull out sun visor extension. Block that sneaky sun glare.
Low sun sneaking around the visor, slide the hidden extender. Many visors pull outward after you swing them to the side window, bridging that annoying gap that roasts your retinas at sunrise and sunset. It's rarely mentioned in manuals, so people squint, lean, and raise a hand instead of using the fix that already exists. Find the slider track, pull it out, and the glare disappears. Safer eyes, steadier hands, and no awkward driver yoga.
Secret 11, hazard light tricks, more than just a warning.
Beyond breakdowns, hazards can communicate. A quick double tap is a rolling thank you after someone lets you merge. In real emergencies, some cars auto-activate hazards during panic stops or airbag deployment with a more aggressive flash to warn traffic. A long press on certain models amps visibility. If you're stranded in a blind spot, learn your car's behavior now, not on the shoulder at night.
Secret 10, the fuel gauge arrow. Never guess your fuel cap side again.
You don't need to gamble at the pumps. Next to the gas pump icon on your cluster lives a tiny arrow. Left arrow means filler on the left, right means right. That's it. Rental cars, loaners, new purchases. One glance saves the awkward hose stretch and the 3-point gas station shuffle. It's been standard for decades, yet many drivers still hop out to look. Tiny triangle, zero confusion, smoother stops.
Secret 9, the fuel cap holder, the $3,000 little hook.
Inside most fuel doors is a humble hook or slot. That's where the cap goes while you fill. Letting it dangle scuffs paint and drags grit onto the sealing surface. Placing it on the pump spreads grime you'll later thread back into the neck. Grit can foul evap seals, filters, and injectors, expensive problems from a 2-second mistake. Hang the cap every time. If you've got a capless system, still wipe before fueling. Clean habits cost nothing and prevent headaches.
Secret 8, remote window roll down.
The heat. Global down is a stealth superpower. On many cars, press unlock twice and hold, or press and hold once and all windows drop. Heat dumps, fresh air floods, steering wheel stops sizzling. Some brands also roll windows up by holding lock. If it doesn't work, enable it in settings or check your manual. It's brilliant in desert summers and parking lot ovens. Vent first, then start. Your AC will thank you with faster, quieter cooldowns.
Secret 7, emergency shift lock override when your car dies in park.
Dead battery, shifter stuck, traffic piling up. Pop the tiny cover near the shifter labeled Shift Lock Press. A key or screwdriver into the slot in the interlock releases, letting you slide to neutral with zero power. Tow operators do this daily. Most owners learn it the hard way. Know the location before you need it. Sometimes it's hidden under a trim cap or by the shifter gate. 30 seconds of know-how turns a hazard into an easy push.
Secret 6, rear view mirror dimmer tab, your nighttime driving savior.
Blinding headlights in your mirror aren't inevitable. Flip the little tab on the bottom edge to switch the prism from day to night. The reflection dims without killing rear visibility, saving your eyes and attention. Auto-dimming mirrors do this electronically, but many still retain the manual toggle. Don't tilt the mirror to the headliner and lose awareness. Use the feature it was born with. One flick, calmer nerves, safer night miles.
Secret 5, ice warning indicator, your dashboard's weather forecaster.
See a snowflake icon around 37 degrees Fahrenheit? That's your car whispering, black ice possible. Bridges and shaded bends can glaze while pavement looks dry. Treat the alert as gospel. Lengthen following distance, steer smoothly, and be gentle on throttle and brakes. Some clusters color shift or chime as temps drop, and a few cars share slick road data. It's easy to ignore a tiny icon until you're sideways. Respect the flake. It's free winter driver training.
Secret 4, glow-in-the-dark trunk escape handle, safety hidden in your trunk.
Since the early 2000s, cars include an internal glow-in-the-dark trunk release. In a pinch, kids playing, accidental lock-ins, criminal situations, one pull pops the latch from inside. Show your family where it is. The photoluminescent handle stays visible after light exposure and works without power. Sedans must have it. Many hatchbacks and SUVs have comparable overrides. You'll likely never need it, but if you do, that $2 plastic handle instantly becomes priceless.
Secret 3, hidden storage compartments, your car's secret stash spots.
Your car is an Easter egg hunt. Lift cargo floors for wells, slide out underfloor bins, check under seats, behind side panels, or inside armrests. Minivans hide removable tubs. Some SUVs add waterproof cubbies. A few sedans tuck slim trays under the passenger seat. These keep valuables out of sight, declutter the cabin, and stop things from becoming projectiles. Just remember what you stash. People sell cars with treasure still on board. Read the manual and go treasure hunting.
Secret 2, speed-sensitive volume control. No more volume roller coaster.
Road noise climbs with speed, your audio compensates. Speed-sensitive volume, also called SVC or auto volume, nudges sound up on the highway and eases it down at lights, so if you aren't riding the knob. Look in audio settings for levels like low, medium, or high. Convertibles and premium systems may also use cabin mics. If your tunes feel haunted, loud, then quiet. This is probably on. Fine-tune it or disable if you hate it. When dialed, it feels invisible, and that's the point.
Secret 1, walk-away auto lock, your car locks itself.
Keyless cars can lock themselves when you leave. Enable walk-away locking, also called passive locking. In settings, keep the fob with you, and as you step away, you'll hear a chirp and see a flash. The car won't lock if the key's detected inside, and many allow a short delay so you can grab bags. It's convenience and security in one move, and it cures the "did I lock it" spiral. Set it once, forget it forever, and stroll off like a pro.
So, be honest, how many of these secrets did you actually know? And did you discover a new few tricks on your own car? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and check out these ideal vids over here.
These hidden features are proof that there's a lot more to our vehicles than meets the eye. Automakers have packed in all kinds of clever functions and conveniences over the years, but they often fly under the radar. Now that you're in the know, you can start using your car to its full potential. and maybe save yourself from some expensive mistakes and stressful moments on the road. If any of these surprised you, or if you have your own favorite little known car feature, drop a comment below and let us know which one blew your mind the most. And if this list just saved you from a future breakdown or made your daily drive easier, consider hitting that subscribe button for more straight to the point car tips and tricks. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you.